If your Sony Bravia Google TV turns on by itself in the middle of the night, this can be really annoying and a costly problem. That's why I'll show you how to fix your Sony Smart TV that turns on automatically in a few simple steps. First of all, if you have any HDMI devices connected to your TV, then this can cause your TV to turn on automatically if you don't have a settings turned off. So to turn that off, open the quick panel, go to All Settings, then Channels and Inputs, External Inputs, HDMI CEC Settings, and you should turn off both Device Auto Power Off and TV Auto Power On. Now other HDMI devices won't be able to turn on your TV. But if your TV still turns on its own, then this may be caused by a loose power cable. So make sure that the power cord is connected to your TV firmly, and also the power socket is not loose. If that's the case, then change the power socket and you should be good to go. Also, if the power cord is damaged, then you should replace it with a new one. Your Sony Smart TV's remote can also cause your TV to turn on if it has a faulty power button. You can figure out if it's your remote by taking out the batteries and then see if your TV turns on again. If it doesn't, then it means it's your remote that's causing the issue. Also, if you don't shut down your TV properly, then your TV can wake up on its own. So, to properly shut down your TV without putting it into standby mode, you'll need to hold down the power button and then select Power Off. Now your TV is switched off completely and shouldn't turn on by itself. After following all these steps, if the problem persists, then this may be an internal component issue. So for further steps, you should contact Sony support. Let us know how it went and make sure to leave your feedback, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you around.